How to fix Snapchat map not working. So if the map on Snapchat is not working, then that might be due to various reasons. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Snapchat, from where you will be able to take various Snapchat photos or videos. At the left bottom corner you can see there are options like map and chat. You just have to tap over the map, and over here you will be able to see all of your friends location. So right now you can see the pop-up which is enable location. So if you have skipped the location instead of enable location, then also your map won't work. So here just you can tap over enable location, and you have to allow Snapchat to have access to your device location. So just go for while using the app, or you can also set it for only this time, and after doing that your map will be able to work properly. Otherwise you can swipe down your notification panel and you have to press and hold over your location, and you'll be opened up to this interface. And here you can see the Snapchat. Tap over the Snapchat and you can go for permissions also, and you have to make sure that the location over here is allowed. By doing that you'll be able to solve that. Over here you can just go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. With just refreshing Snapchat application you'll be able to have the Snapchat map working. With this step you'll be able to fix Snapchat map not working problem. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.